Just outside of Falmouth, about a mile and a half from the town centre, Swanpool Beach is a beach that manages to appeal to a mix of beachgoers. Sitting in a sheltered little bay, you have water to both sides, with a beach on one side and Swanpool Lake tucked just behind it. It's a popular spot, but there's still a relaxed, fairly local feel here, especially outside the busiest summer days. The water is usually calm and clear at Swanpool, and it's the perfect spot for swimming and family beach days. It's worth noting though that there isn't a lifeguard here, so take care of going in the sea. The name comes from the lake behind the beach. Swanpool Lake is a brackish lagoon where fresh water and seawater mix, creating a rare and important habitat. It's also a site of special scientific interest, with a wide range of bird life and some unusual wildlife found in its distinctive environment, including the rare trembling sea mat. Yes, that's real. The beach itself is mostly sand and shingle, with a few rocks showing at lower tides. On a clear day, there are lovely views across the bay towards Pendennis and St Anthony's Heads. If you're visiting with a dog, there are seasonal restrictions here between July and the end of August. Dogs aren't allowed on the beach between 10 AM and 6 PM, but they can still visit earlier in the morning or later in the evening. From above you can really see how neatly the beach sits between the open sea and the lake, and how clear the water can be. For a small beach there are plenty of facilities, including toilets near the car park, beach huts, water sports equipment hire, and the well-known Swanpool Beach Cafe, which is open year-round and famous for its quirky ice cream flavours.